Hello children, welcome to the English class. I hope you all are fine. And I hope you all have completed your holiday homework. Children, I will discuss the holiday homework in the doubt clearing session from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. There I will provide you the answers of the comprehension and I'll provide you a sample paragraph that I have given you as a holiday homework. Now children, we are going to do some revision work now. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 of English Reader. Children, today we are going to revise chapter 1 of English Reader, The Clever Jackal. I have already told you that this story has been taken from the Panchatantra. What is the Panchatantra? The Panchatantra is an age-old collection of animal stories that has been believed to be written by the Sanskrit scholar Vishnu Sharma, and which usually contain a moral, right? And in these stories you will find that the animals has been given certain qualities which help them in different situations. Our present story, The Clever Jackal, is also taken from the Panchatantra. Now children, today I will not read the story line by line. I am going to tell you the summary of the story. Clear? So what we have seen in the story? That in a deep forest there lived a cruel and ferocious lion who used to eat any animal that he used to meet somehow unexpectedly. So all the animals in the forest, they were very afraid of him. They were very upset and they want to get rid of this problem. So one day they all decided to hold a meeting. In that meeting, the wise old owl proposed that each day one animal should go to the lion as his meal. They thought that this is the best solution. So they all went to the lion with this proposal, and the lion agreed to it. The animal decided that who will go after whom. So the first day a deer was sent to the lion. Then it was the turn of the rabbit. Now after that, after the rabbit, it was the turn of the jackal. So we all know that a jackal is a very clever animal. So what he did, when he was going towards the lion's den, suddenly he came up with an idea. He deliberately walked very slowly and reached late. The lion was hungry, very hungry, and on the other side the jackal was also coming very late. And when the jackal arrived, the lion was ready to eat him up at once. But you know, the jackal knows many tricks. He apologized for being late and informed him that he had set off with 2 of his friends as part of the lion's meal. Means, along with him, 2 friends were also coming with him as a part of the lion's meal. But on the way, what happened? They were attacked by another lion. And that another lion told that he is the king of the jungle. The other lion ate up his friends. He somehow with great difficulty managed to escape. So the clever jackal framed up a very nice story in front of the lion. Now hearing this, the lion was very furious. What he did? He ordered the jackal to take him to that place where the other lion was. The jackal then took him to a well where the lion saw his own reflection in water. The foolish lion thought that it was the other lion. He was so angry that without thinking, he just pounced at his own reflection in the well and was drowned. So, the clever jackal's intelligence has saved all the animals of the forest. And they all thanked the jackal for killing that ferocious lion. So children, now you remembered the entire story? After that, what will you do? You will revise the comprehension part that we have already discussed earlier. Clear? Then after that, revise the question answers and the language structure, where we have done a bit of grammar. So children, your homework for today is you will revise this entire chapter. First, you will read the entire story, go through the word meanings and question answers, fill in the blanks and the language structure part. If you have any doubt, clear it during the doubt clarification session from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Thank you.